and welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas. It is Christmas coming up very soon. I love this time of year. It is my favorite time of year and I cannot wait to film my Christmas makeup tutorial. I do it every year on my channel. I'm in my Christmas jumper, as you can see. Very festive. And yes, today we are doing a simple, classic, easy Christmas makeup tutorial. So I like to put quite a bit of makeup on a Christmas day, but I want it to be comfortable, I want it to be long lasting, and I don't want it to be too crazy. So it's going to be a nice classic Christmas makeup tutorial today, and I think, are all the products drugstore? They're all affordable drugstore products as well, so that's really good. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so it's really important to prime because on Christmas Day it's a long day. You're up early and you're still up late, so it's a long day, you know, you need a long lasting primer. So we're going to use the NYX First Base Primer Spray first. Then I'm going in with another primer. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Primer, and I'm going to apply it with my Real Techniques stippling brush. Okay, so foundation, I am going to be using the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. I've been loving this foundation recently, and I'm going to apply it with my It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Foundation brush. And I'm going to put like a nice even layer of this on my skin. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going to be mixing my Colourpop No Filter concealers. I'm taking the shades Light Neutral 15 and Fair 08. And I'm using my Real Techniques contour brush to blend. Now for powder, I'm going to be using my Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder in the shade Transparent. And to set my eye area, I'm using my Morphe G35 Brush. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm using my Morphe E2 Brush. Okay, now for contour, I'm using my NYX HD Blush in the shade Taupe, and I'm using my You Spicy 27 contour brush. And then for bronzer, I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer, using my Real Techniques Blush Brush. For blush, I'm also using the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the shade Vintage Rouge, and I'm using my Real Techniques Multitask Brush. And then for highlight, I'm using my Colourpop Lunch Money Highlighter, using my Real Techniques Setting Brush. Okay, moving on to the eyes. Okay, so like I said, I'm doing pretty much a classic Christmas look. So I'm going to be using my Colourpop Pressed Powder Eyeshadows. So I'm going to take my Morphe R37 and I'm going in with this shade here, which is called Bel Air. And I'm going to put that through my crease and outer corners. Then using the same brush, I'm going in with this darker, almost like pinky purpley shade, and it's called Made to Last. So just a little bit of that also through the crease and the outer corners. And then going in with my You Spicy E40 Tapered blending brush to blend out the harsh lines. There's nothing on this brush, it's just no product. And then I'm going to use those same eyeshadows on my lower lash line using my E18 Morphe brush. Okay, now for the fun part. So it's Christmas, you know, very cold, very snowy, so I wanted to use this colour. Now this is a Colourpop Super Shock shadow in the shade Tassel, and it is a sparkly white shade and it's so pretty. It does look like snow, glittery snow. I'm going to take my Colourpop flat shader brush, I think it is, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid pretty much, and yes, very sparkly, very Christmassy. Look how Christmassy it is, I love it. And then I'm just going to do some blending, only slightly. Okay, so now for eyeliner, I'm going to be using my NYX Slide On Brown Perfection eyeliner. And for mascara, I'm using my Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Lash Mascara. But first of all, I'm going to curl my lashes, I almost forgot, with my Tweezerman eyelash curlers. And then I'm using my NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. Okay, now finally for lips. Now I am going with a bold matte red lip. So to line my lips, I'm using my NYX lip liner in the shade Hot Red. I hate red colours like this. It makes me so nervous, but here we go. And then I'm using my Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Creeper. And I'm so nervous. Here we go. Okay, and this is how the final look has turned out. Now obviously this is a very bold lip. Personally me, I probably wouldn't even wear this lip myself. I would switch it out for a nude, guaranteed. But I love this eyeshadow. It looks so cool. If you don't have it, I would suggest you go and buy it. It is so pretty, perfect for Christmas. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not, so you can see all my other videos. And I hope you have a fantastic Christmas, a really Merry Christmas to you all. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!